Hi, this is Tom Zara of Zara Tutoring. Parents of juniors often ask me which SAT test date I recommend their child prep for. Well, I'm a huge proponent of having juniors take their first test with preparation by December of their junior year in order to, 1, alleviate some of the stress associated with junior year. I believe that waiting until the spring to have their first attempt at the test puts a lot of pressure on them, since they wouldn't have much time to improve their score before needing to submit college applications. Also, their course load tends to be more intense in the spring, especially if they're taking AP courses, which makes it more difficult for them to put in the practice that standardized test prep requires, compared to the fall when classes are typically as easy as they'll be all school year. And 2, provide them with time to make some tweaks and adjustments that will enable them to further improve their score in the spring. But isn't the April SAT that's given in school the one that matters? Great question. To adequately answer that question, let's first discuss why public high school students in Michigan take the SAT. Most parents out there, like me, took the ACT in high school if they were planning to attend an in-state university, and the SAT if they were planning to apply to out-of-state universities. Do kids even still take the ACT, and don't universities just want SAT scores? Well, in 2015, College Board paid the state of Michigan more money than ACT, which is why the SAT has been administered in public high schools ever since. But all universities that I know of, including Harvard, accept both the SAT and ACT without a preference for one over the other. So, at Zara Tutoring, we always start by having students take our SAT-ACT diagnostic in order to determine which test better reflects the student's aptitude. If it's the SAT, then in April they get a free attempt at it. If it's the ACT, they still do their best on the April SAT, and some of the strategies they'll be learning in preparation for the ACT will translate to the SAT as well. But I recommend holding off on sending the results to universities until the student has taken the test for the last time and sends the highest score. Our one-on-one and small group sessions in preparation for the December 3rd SAT and the December 10th ACT start the week of September 6th. We offer our sessions in person at our office at Tinkin in Rochester, as well as remotely via Zoom. Please check out the more than 180 5-star reviews from satisfied clients who have benefited from our proven personalized approach. Families enrolled in Ashleigh's Empowered for Michigan program get a 10% discount on either of the small group programs. To enroll in either our one-on-one or small group sessions, students need to take our SAT-ACT diagnostic by Sunday, August 28th. Send me a message to further discuss. Let's do this.